How to turn on developer mode on Oculus Quest 2. First step, you need to create a developer account. To enable developer mode, you need to have a developer account with Oculus. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account on the Oculus developer dashboard. So you will go on these Oculus sites, and after that you need to connect on developer dashboard. Perfect so far. Number two, you need to register your device. After creating your developer account, you will need to register your Oculus Quest 2 device. This involves providing some information about your device and your development intentions. Number three, you need to enable developer mode. And here there are like eight steps, so you will need to follow each step to accomplish number three. So first step, you need to put on your Oculus Quest 2 headset. After that, you need to open the Oculus app on your smartphone or tablet that's paired with your Oculus Quest 2. After that, tap on the settings tab at the bottom. Under your Oculus Quest 2 device, tap on the device name to access its settings. And next, you will need to scroll down and find the developer mode section. Toggle the switch to enable developer mode. You might be prompted to enter your Oculus developer account credentials. And the last step here on the number three, a warning will appear explaining the risk of enabling developer mode. Read and acknowledge it. Number four, you need to connect to your computer. So to actually sideload apps using SideQuest or other methods, you will need to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your computer using a USB cable. Number five, allow USB debugging. After connecting your device, a dialog may appear in your Oculus Quest 2 headset, asking for permission to allow USB debugging. Grant the permission. And the last step, number six, start sideloading. Once developer mode is enabled and your device is connected to your computer, you can start using SideQuest or other tools to sideload applications onto your Oculus Quest. So that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you a lot, and we will see in the next videos.